Y'all, I'm back. I had to make a store run. My bad. A store run to Harbor Freight to get some electrical caps and some more stuff to wire up the fog light. So right now we headed back to the headquarters. We're gonna finish it up, and the way I'm running the wiring, I run it a little different. I'm gonna run it personally a little different. I really don't like running all that wiring under the truck, and it look, I like, neat. I like it to look neat. So of course, as y'all seen, I did wire them up. They look good. I do need to get some either frost white or white LEDs for the fog lights, but I mean, they look good. So we're gonna go like that. We're gonna go with our move on that. And right now we headed back to the highs, man. So we're gonna get that done, and I kind of show y'all when we get back what I bought from Harbor Freight, because really I looked up some videos of how some people ran it. I didn't like it. I feel like it was too much wiring for me personally under the truck. And like I say, man, you could take it for a grain of salt how you want to run it, or how you feel like what better fits you personally. Like I say, I kind of watched some videos, how some people ran it. It was only really one video I found. So I'm kind of gonna go into detail to kind of show you guys my way of running it, of the power and ground. And yeah, we're just gonna do it like that, man. I feel like that's better for me, for how I want my truck ran as far as wiring. And then we're gonna go from there, man. And it's a nice day today, a nice Saturday. So yeah, man, I'm gonna drop these videos to y'all, and we're gonna keep going from there. But man, we headed to the safe house right now, man. We back. So got some wire wrap. So little terminal kit. Electrical caps. So we go up to 16 gauge, I don't know, but it should work pretty good. We'll use that. I got me some watertight heat shrink butt connectors. So, yep, that's what we'll be using today, right there, y'all. That's it. So y'all can see, there go my caps wrapped in an electrical tape. So I'm gonna run it from here all the way to here, right here. So we're gonna do that. I kind of got some protective stuff put on there, but yeah, that's it right there, y'all. And I'm gonna run this, and then I'm gonna show y'all how they go right there. So y'all stay tight with your boy. Let me knock this out, and we'll be right back. Finally finished. Your boy finished. So It did take me a little minute. I mean, this is my first hookup on the fog lights. It's not rocket science, but I wanted it to look neat. I wanted it to look nice, you know. I did run it a little different. Some guys hook it up to the headlights. I actually hooked mine up to the relay that goes inside the fuse box, and then I hook my ground up to the battery. So if I cut my fog lights on, they cut on, you know, with my switch. So I'm gonna show y'all how I hooked it up, and we'll go from there. So let's get under this truck, man, and I'm gonna kind of show y'all. Now, do I advise y'all to do it like this? It's up to y'all, but me, honestly, this is how I did it. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. As y'all can see, that's how you boy hook tears up. So right there, I used electrical tape and electrical cap. Did it like that on that side. Zip tied it right here, and that's how it looked right here on the driver's side. That's the factory bulb, and that's just how it looked. So it looked good to me. Like I say, I did run a bunch of this, I guess you could say, like, to not expose the wire as much, so you do see it right there. But all in all, it looks kind of, I want to keep it like the factory look. And on this side, let me go over for you guys to see it. So bam, this side do look a little better. As you guys can see, let me get under here a little bit more. So on this side, as you can see, I put my caps on there, and I had probably about 3 feet of wire that I accidentally overcut. So what I did was take that, splice it here and there, and I ran it from here all the way here. As you can see, I got some little duct tape. Can't see it. Right here, I zip tied it, and up top I zip tied it right there. So kind of hide my wires under the bumper, and that's it. So like I say, right here you can see where I hooked it up to my lights. Spliced it from here all the way here. Ran it here. After I spliced it, ran another about 8 feet, and I fit it down. So let me go up top. I'm gonna show you up top. Mind your boy.
You are currently being recorded.
So, whoosh, up top, I ran it from, let's see, from here. So you can kind of see it's hidden, not too much on the frame. So that's why I wanted to run this protective like cover for the wire, so I didn't expose it. When you raise the hood, it, you know, damn near looks factory. So ran my ground here, my power here to the fuse box. You could pop this actually off, and when you read it, you know what, I'll just show y'all, because I know somebody gonna say something. So as you can see right here, it'll have it where your fogs, and I just took it and I did it like that. So do I recommend doing it like this? It's your discretion. So take it as a grain of salt of how you'll do it, you know what I mean? And just do what you think would be best. I did what looks good. Of course, I have my big 3 ran from here. And let me get somewhere where y'all can see it a little bit more. The sun might be getting in the way. Let's focus a little bit. Alright, so yeah, that's why I got my big 3. So everything dang there, I don't want to cut y'all, everything dang there looks factory. So that's the look I was going for on a lot of things. Even hooking up the trans cooler, I wanted to go factory. But this engine bay needs cleaning up. So we will have a video of me cleaning the engine bay. Actually washing this truck too, y'all. So let me see if the key is actually in here. But all in all, look at that. It doesn't, you don't see nothing. You don't see any wires on the truck. So that was what I was kind of going for. Of course, it came with this, and I didn't use those. I used a factory. That was my wiring, and you can get this wiring off of Amazon. So just the wiring I use. You can get this wiring, which is 18 gauge. I went to Harbor Freight, as y'all seen. Got my caps, and yeah, I just did it like that. So
Hi.
it's not like I said, it's not rocket science, y'all. I mean, it was my first time doing it, and I never really did it before. And yeah, man, that's really it. But still got some stuff to do on this truck. My packages did come in, so we'll open them up. I guess we'll open up on this video. We'll open up on this video, and that'll be that. What?
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
Let's see. Truck is filthy, man. Hit these fogs. Let's see how they hitting. I'm gonna bring a video at night too, so we can see them at night. Bam. That's it. That's it right there, y'all. Just like that. So that's it. Think it look good. The truck is dirty. I gotta clean it up. I've been saying that for like the last 5 videos. So y'all know me. I'm gonna preach, keep preaching, and keep drilling it in my head, so I do it. But let's see, man.